Today I feel like baking something that's very nostalgic, something that takes me back to my childhood. I'm looking for this book that I have by Nigella Lawson. Oh yeah, here it is. This is, I think, one of my most favorite books by Nigella Lawson. I have grown up watching her on TV create magic on TV. For me, it wasn't just about her presentation, how she presented the whole thing, but it was also about such classic recipes that she gave us. And today we're baking a classic chocolate brownies. Let's go. So when it comes to a recipe in which I'm doing a classic, I don't like to mess around with them, For me, brownies is something that's so easy, so convenient. I would definitely love to do them the classic way, which is with eggs, with lots of good quality chocolate, and just so much love. And here first I've just kind of mixed the eggs. Now this is something that I learned from Shaheen. Her brand's called the Purple Foodie. She taught us never leave your eggs and sugar combined together because it can burn the eggs. I add the sugar and I'm immediately going to whisk them together. Now, any baking recipe is definitely going to have vanilla in it. This is my homemade vanilla extract. Don't go by the bottle. This is not vodka. It's just homemade vanilla extract that I'm going to add into this. I'm going to mix that up in, and that's about it. The next step is I've already got my chocolate and butter mixture melted together in the microwave. Each time I go through Nigella's book, she reminds me of my childhood. I remember watching her on TV and admiring everything that she does. From the way she goes to the local markets and sources her ingredients, to her kitchen, to how she does her midnight munchies. It's like, secretly I wanted to be her. Yeah, but now actually no more. I just want to be myself. I want to be the baker that I am. Now that this is added to this, I'm adding the maida. I'm making sure that it doesn't blast up into my face. Slowly mixing it in. Now, because this is a recipe that's heavily dependent on the kind of chocolate that you use in this, make sure that you use pure chocolate and not a compound. In terms of the bitterness of the chocolate, that depends upon you. If you like something that's really bitter and dark, you could definitely go in for that. If you like something on the milkier side, you can definitely go in for that as well. Now, to this one, I'm adding chopped pieces of chocolate. Though Nigella, in her original recipe, she's got walnuts. But I personally don't like walnuts in my brownie, so I'm going with chunks of chocolate, roughly mixing them in. Now, this recipe is going to give you 2 pans of 9x9. I have an 8x8, so I'll have like a bigger piece, like a fatter piece. And अब इसमें ये mixture को pour करते हैं. Oh, that's one very heavy bowl. Now that I've poured the batter in both of them, I'm going to sprinkle some chocolate chips. These are actually Calots by Caliboo, dark chocolate Calots. If you want, you could do like a mix of dark and milk. If you're fond of walnuts, you could do walnuts as well. Now these babies go into the oven at 180 for about 25 to 30 minutes. See you later. Oh my god, I am in brownie heaven. Like seriously brownie heaven. These look so good. I'm sure they're going to taste really good. But इसको थोड़ी देर मेरे को अभी ठंडा होना देना है so that they can hold the shape really well. And do you guys notice this crinkly top? This is like the real beauty of a brownie. This is what I love. And particularly मेरे को side का piece बहुत अच्छा लगता है because it's got this like a crusty piece. I am just not able to resist this one. I'm going to pick this one up. Take a big chunky bite and enjoy the rest of it. You guys should too.